Hello and what's up YouTube? Coming at you today with a short video of my buddy's brand new Billiard Burgundy 2020 Road King Special. Beautiful bike. He's had it for a couple days and he couldn't be happier. Can you blame him? I can't. So I'm going to give you a quick video tour of the bike, adjust the handlebars, put on some LEDs, and then we're going for a ride. Hopefully you stick around and come with us. Next we move on to adjusting the bars. If you have a long hex, it's as easy as popping off a cover, loosening the bolts, adjusting your bars. If not, you're going to have to loosen some trim, pop out the headlight. Still pretty simple. Once done, tighten your bolts, put your trim back on, you're ready to ride. Next we added some custom dynamics turn signal and brake lights. It's as easy as popping off a cover, take out the original bulb, put in the LED in the original socket, replace the cover, and you got a whole new look for your bike, and brighter lights means safer ride.